What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to Making the Dean's List on the 27th day of the month. Hopefully you're in your Bible every day. This is obviously an attempt to get you in your Bible every day. Connect your Bible to your business. On the 27th, we're looking at verse 8. Verse 8 says that a bird that wanders from his nest is like a man who wanders from his place. So from that, I kind of think about all the guys and teammates that I know, owners, businesses, managers, leaders, who decide they want to get into something else. Hey, let's get into new construction. Hey, let's get into electrical. Let's start selling generators. Whatever it is. Just want to make sure that this verse reminds us to let's be really good at what we're already doing, our business today, before we get off into new businesses. I don't want to sound discouraging, but you got to know your place. You got to know when you're ready, and maybe more importantly, you got to know when you're not ready. All right, hope this helps. Hope you have a great day, a blessed week, and since this is the last week of the month, let's finish strong.